I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail called 20,000 Leagues. We're going to start off with ice, pour that into your glass, and then we're going to add in 1.5 ounces of gin. Now, if you want to use crushed ice for this, I would recommend that as well. Either way, crushed ice is good too. All right, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces. This handy-dandy tool I'm using is called a jigger, J-I-G-G-E-R. I suggest you invest in one. They're great to have around. All right, now we're going to add 1 ounce of dry vermouth. Make sure you keep your vermouth refrigerated to increase its shelf life. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Pernod. Just a little splash there. And 2 dashes of orange bitters. There we go. Go ahead and give that a good shake. And we're going to strain this into a cocktail glass. All righty. Put your strainer on top, hold it on nice and tight with your first finger, and go ahead and pour. And there you have it, 20,000 Leagues. Cheers.